Hi, welcome to my video on the slope of a vertical line, given 2 points. We're going to discuss the slope of a vertical line. In doing so, let's find, I'm going to do some examples for you first. Find the slope of a vertical line. Let's work out the slope of AC. AC is the vertical line. Notice the vertical line is parallel to the y-axis and perpendicular to the x. The coordinate of A is 4 for the x and 3 for the y. The coordinate of C is 4 for the x and 0 for the y. So let's work out the slope of that vertical line. Slope is rise over run, and the rise, if you leave C and go to A, 1, 2, 3, the rise is plus 3, and notice the run, you do not go either left or right, so the run is 0. Or if you go from A to C, it's 1, 2, 3 down, so it's a negative 3 over 0. But in either case, division by 0 is undefined. You can't check with your calculator and go 3 divided by 0 and you get an error, so we say it's undefined. And notice that on a vertical line, the y's stay the same. Notice, the x's stay the same. Notice x is 4 and 4, and the y is changing. Let's do BS. And the slope of BS, let's do the rise and the run for the slope. So B is, the coordinates of B is negative 1 and 1. And the coordinates of S is x is negative 1 and y is negative 3. So the rise, if you want to go from S to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. Or if you want to go from B to S, it's a minus 4, same thing. Let's put that out there. And the run is 0, because it's neither going left or right, it's just going straight up and down. So 0 for both of these. And division by 0 is undefined, or error on your calculator. And again, notice on the vertical line, the y's are changing. There's a 1 up there and negative 3 there. So that's a 1, a 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. But on a vertical line, the x's stay the same. Practice. Find a video of each vertical line. So here we go. Remember, practice means pause the video, work them out, and play back to see if your answer is right. The coordinate of H is x is 2 and y is 2. And the coordinate of T, x is 2 and y is negative 1. And the slope of that vertical line is rise over run. And the rise goes from T to H is 1, 2, 3, so it's a plus 3. Or we could have from H to T as a minus 3. And the run is neither going left or right, it's just straight up and down. The run is 0 for either one of them. And division by 0 is an error on the calculator, which means it's undefined in math. And let's do KL. KL is this vertical line here. K is, the x coordinate of K is negative 3, and the y coordinate is 1. L, the x coordinate of L is negative 3, and the y coordinate is also negative 3. X negative 3, y negative 3. And the slope of KL, the slope for any line is always rise over run. And let's see, the rise we go up is 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. Or if we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, it's a minus 4. But in any case, the run on this line is neither left nor right, so the run is 0. And in either case, when you divide by 0, you get an error on the calculator, or we say undefined. And again, note that on a vertical line, the x-coordinate is the same, -3 for every point, but the y keeps changing. Same on this one. The x is always 2, but the y changes as we go up and down. Note, a vertical line, all vertical lines have undefined slopes. Memorize it, because you're dividing by 0, because the run is 0. All points on a vertical line have the same x-coordinate, but they have a different y-coordinate. So all the x's are the same on a vertical line, but the y's are different. That will be, when I do the equation of a vertical and horizontal line, that will come into play. If you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and the notification bell if you wish to be contacted when I do more videos, which I will. And write a comment on my video if you wish, and visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com. And you have 3 sections. Me tells me about my degrees and teaching experience. The video section talks about the strategy you're going to use to help you learn your math. And the content section talks about the units and the number of videos on each unit. And the black font is what's online right now. And the red font is the topics that will be online in the near future. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Bye-bye.